Hi friends, I found this Lego set on eBay for just £5. It's called the Lego Family 200 from 1974. It arrived looking like this. No box, no instructions, just a little bag of loose bricks. And somehow all this is supposed to be a family. So let's see who they are. First, we have Grandma. She's the heart of the family, always in the kitchen baking cookies. Her house always smells warm and no one ever leaves hungry. I just noticed something. These are super old, about 50-year-old. They all have Pat Pending written on them. Next is Nancy. Nancy is Grandma's daughter. She grew up by her mom's side, learning how to take care of everyone. And now she's starting a family of her own. I love her pretty red dress. Next, we have her husband Tom. He is a proper family man. Hardworking, always doing his best for everyone. The kind of person who quietly keeps things going. And together they always dreamed of having kids. So this is Lily, their daughter. She's curious about everything, always asking questions, always exploring. A little bit like her mom, but with her own spark. And their son Billy, full of energy, always turning everything into game. Always running around, climbing, playing, making a bit of a mess. But that's what makes it fun. I just realized husband Tom looks a bit short. Sorry, Tom. I missed one piece. That's better. The tallest in the family. And what I really love about this family is that they can all hold hands. It just brings them a little closer and together. And as a family, you can't get any closer than this. Oh, so sweet. This is a loving family, and every loving family needs a home. Even after 52 years, they arrived with nothing, so I decided to give them a house and welcome them into my Lego world. I hope they like it and settle in well. So after 52 years, they are finally home. I will be back soon with something new.